accidentally pulled out her nose.
Great.
Telling me I'm not gonna waste my time. Show me time on but pressure bust pipe.
And I'm Shelby, reporting live from my bedroom to let you all know about Dossier perfumes. If you don't know, keep listening. If you already know, still keep listening. I would be a horrible news reporter. Anyways, I'm here to talk about Dossier once again. If you know, you know. If you don't know, well, now you know, okay? Basically, Dossier is a perfume brand that reproduces high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the cost. So they basically replicate scents like Tom Ford, YSL, Chanel, Gucci, Versace, all of them high-end brands. I made sure to pick out scents that I've actually never tried before. So today, the scent I picked out is Woody Hyacinth, and it is inspired by Chanel. So basically, before you get all into that, you know, when you open the box, it has their nice slogan: iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. And then in the box itself, you have the 50 milliliter bottle along with a sample size bottle. They put a sample size bottle in there so you can literally try it, see if you like it, and if you don't like it, then you can send it back. What do you call it? Free returns. There's the word, vocabulary. Yeah, so this is what the bottle looks like. The top is also magnetic, which I find very cool. I don't know, I find little things like that very cool. Okay, you can literally open it and you smell it. You know, some perfumes, when you open it, you literally have to spray it and kind of like and wait till it sinks in for you to know exactly how it smells. You don't have to do that with this. Like, you smell it right off the top. I have never tried Chanel Chance, but smelling this, I think Chanel Chance smells very, very good. Like, I saw a lot of people talking about this scent from Dossier and I really wanted to try it, so of course it is amazing. Like, if you want affordable perfumes, you know, this is the place to shop. Their prices are literally starting at $29.99. Most of their scents are $29.99. If that ain't a steal, I don't know what is. So, you know, I implore you to go and get you a scent, okay? If you can't afford, you know, the big luxurious brands, get this. It's the best alternative. And if you want to go get it and get some more money off, make sure to use my code AndImShelby10. And yeah, smell good, gang. Are we that? Yeah, we're not scabbies, we're seashells. Thank you for tuning in. On to the vlog. So my birthday week is off to a horrible start. So tell them what you did.
I accidentally pulled out her nose ring.
Yeah, and then I had to put in, luckily I bought this one, so I had to put this in.
Yeah,
so that Jesus God, you're chatting in the vlog. Chuck. What did you want me to say? What did I say? Yes, so I had to put this in so the whole not cock up. So now I'm going to needles so she can put in the other rings, which I left at home, so you know I have to go buy a next ring. So that's 3 rings I have now. I'm just stressed out. So yeah. Oh, also my nail, the lady who was supposed to do my nails canceled on me. She cannot do it again, and I am not in the mood to find somebody else. I run a bundle. My birthday is 2 days away. My wax lady is not answering, so I'm not going down there to stand up and wait. So yeah, great. So she just called me back. I was in the wax person, and she said I can come. It's no 12:15 still.
Carrying the pussy.
My appointment was 12 o'clock. I just said we'll come 12:31, but boy, I don't know. I don't know how to go work out still. I might have to go there first before I go to needles.
I get tattoo or piercing.
I'm gonna go fix my ring.
I'm gonna show you what I get.
You don't get shit. I'm
Yes,
going.
I'm paying for a
You getting a tattoo? That's who is that?
They leave something?
I've seen that on my picture.
Sorry, the girl. The Afro.
I want
with that. Well, actually, they have the Ethiopian, you know, that Ethiopian straight hairs. That great.
Oh, with the...
So it's the same trash poker style. Like that's some trash poker tattoo.
No, that.
I don't even know what a trash.
So guys, things worked out. I'm getting my wax appointment. Made the body though. Swear to God, I almost cried. Today we're doing a Brazilian. God go with me because I have not done this in like a year and a half. Call it 2. Pray for me. Yeah. It's the same place I went to the last time. But I'll put that in the screen and the stuff in the description. And I'm gonna stop talking now because I'm gonna get copyrighted because of the music. Okay, bye. Alright, wait. I did a hard wax the other day and it was the most painful thing in my entire life.
Hard or you want soft?
No, I want this.
Soft?
Yeah.
You too, I know. I worked a line because I almost 2 years in a wax.
No, sugar wax. I did it myself, the hard wax.
Oh.
That was the worst thing I ever could have done in my entire life.
Girlie, here are so easy to wax.
Boy, thank God. Because actually a hard wax up here, my shave down this because I'm like, I can't manage.
Yeah, down there somewhere on the thicker side.
What? God. This is what females have to go through. Now let's sit. Oh God. I have persons at home in case. They're cute still, but you know, in case if I don't get to do my nails, then I'll wear those. I'm not dying, guys. It's much better than the hard wax, as you can see. So let's just say I got my nose piercing fixed and whatever, but look kind of very oily right now because the ointment is on it. I'm gonna have a plan to stay up on the road, but of course Aliashi wanted to stay and catch and drink and eat. We ordered pasta and yeah, I guess I'm just gonna eat this and then talk back to you guys later. Wait. The BBL effect. That's right. What's up? So it is now 1:56. It is the day before my birthday. Have I gotten anything done yet? No. But yesterday was just a very hectic day for me. I really wanted to just cry. Ignore the oiliness of my face. What happened yesterday? I ended up actually getting my wax, as you saw, because I recorded it. Then I went to Needles so I could get my ring changed. So we're back in action. Is this a bump? Oh my God, I'm breaking out. Why? Oh God, no. Anyways, we're back in action with the corkscrew nose ring. Please focus and stop foolishness. Rain literally catch me while I was walking to Needles, like full on rain. I was soaked and I just never care. I just stood there walking in the rain. Everybody talk about, you don't want a shelter, you don't want an umbrella. Leave me alone, I'm just going where I'm going, okay? That was that. Then I went home. I was supposed to go to the tailor yesterday, but I didn't get to go because Lee never want to follow me got tailor after that long day we had. I don't blame her. Then we went to, yeah, we go 100. I wanted a cheese patty. I never get my cheese patty, so I ended up go 100 and got pasta, and we were literally just going to go and pick it up and come back. But then she, you know, she wanted a little drinky drink, and then we just decided that we'll just stay and eat a little bit and drink some and then go back home, which is what we did. And then I don't think I didn't vlog after that. I just came, but did not stitches, made have gas, but I tried shit and the shit never did come, so I just end up going to bed. That was just really it. Yesterday I think my nail tech, I think she was just extremely busy and a bit confused. Like she probably mixed me up with another client. Why my foot still? She probably mixed me up with another client because I asked her for a specific design, and then I asked her if she could do it into press-ons because I just can't bother with nails. So I just wanted press-ons, and then, you know, she asked me to pick from she asked me to pick from one of the designs that she had, but I didn't want those ones. I wanted the one that I wanted. I just thought that, you know, it never did go work out again. And then I was telling her, you know, I might have to find somebody else to do it because that's really the design I wanted. So then, like, should I take long for answer my message then? Because mind you, again, she's busy, the curfew always changed and everything. So I'm saying, no, let me just call her. So when I called, you know, she said she already started the design already, and I'm like, but you said you didn't start it. So I think it was just one big mix-up. I really don't think she even knew who she was talking to at first, but you know, that's cleared up. And she said pickup is today, so I need to find out from her what time I'll pick up. I'm actually getting ready to go to the tailor now because, yeah, I put it off long enough. So on the agenda today, let me go in my reminders. I have tailor and Knutsford nail tech. What is film? Oh yeah, firstly I'm gonna go to the tailor to get my little birthday outfit altered or whatever. Cut the skirt look a bit big. Knutsford, I have a swimsuit that one of my subscribers made for me, so I'm going to pick that up. You know, I'm a beggar for just wake up early this morning and send it off because it's coming from Mobi. I didn't really want it today because girl got a little surprise for tomorrow. I still don't know all the details, but hey, when tomorrow comes, we'll see about that. So I have to go there after I go to the tailor, and depending on what time the nail tech finishes with the press-ons, then I'll just go from New Kingston straight to Halfway Tree to go collect them. If not, then I'll have to come back home and then go back to Halfway Tree when she's ready. Today is very hectic and I don't have a friend to come and run these errands with me, so you know, me big irritated, me big mad, but you know, it's whatever. Everybody have their own life to live. So yeah, it's now 2 o'clock. I should have gone on the road from 12 o'clock, but we're gonna see how this goes. Wow, 5 minutes of chatting. Yeah, I'm really not in the mood for this birthday thing, but whatever. So yeah, my hair is...
He needs some milk!
My hair is still green from FOF. I hope that FOF vlog goes up before this one. If not, then stay tuned for it, depending on, you know, the content. We'll see if I can actually post it. So yeah, for the birthday, I am gonna do a different color. You know, I think I'm gonna wear the bald head with the outfit. Yeah, come on, don't focus on everything else. I don't want to wear a wig and then you guys focus just on the wig, you know, focus on me. Yeah, since me I go up on the road, me I go wash. I'm gonna wash the hair because this is child, this is not it. This is not it. I even wanted to go to the barber, but I'm not gonna stress out myself anymore. So let's just get this show on the road. All right. So guys, I'm at the tailor. Oh, I'm not showing them my skirts. I'm gonna have to wait till the outfit. Oh, also I didn't come by myself. She finally came with me.
You can show them the skirt because you know
This is the preparation for a birthday vlog, and then I'm gonna have the birthday vlog.
that'll be a party.
Yeah, content. Yeah.
You know, speech of the day. Don't like men. These niggas.
Men don't make
Man can
sense.
fuck up my washing.
Well, alright then.
Suko. S-O-M-B.
Some.
You know what you?
Some.
Skin of clean though.
Sure. What can you say?
I want my bread to be buttered. I want a straw of milk. Don't drink strong. Don't drink strong milk. I want a bag milk for drink.
I want my bread well butter. Whore. Yes.
Personal service amount out.
What?
Wait, say?
Personal service amount.
Watch
Public.
Yes.
Public service amount.
Cut the cameras.
Don't put that in there.
Where's it?
Delete. Delete all that shit, piggy. I cannot find.
Where are we going?
I cannot find the receipt.
Where are we?
The Wi-Fi.
I said, where are we?
Dubai. We're at Knutsford.
We're doing what today? Collecting
Packages.
So we're back home and I just tried on my swimsuit. Watch me lift that in there. Yes, I'm showing your whole butt to the internet. So yeah, what would I say? Yeah, it's just so convenient. No, coincidental that we both picked up swimsuits today. And hers big. Top.
The top is big.
The top is big. Girl, look on her, girl, medium.
Medium. Can I show some stuff in me?
Yeah, mine fit. The top was almost too small, but it's basically an exact fit still. You know, girl, it's extra small. Yeah. I love it so much, but you know, I can't show you guys until the fun. Anyways, we're drinking our drinks from last night. Cheers. So I guess I'm going to comb her hair and then yeah.
We're going to comb my hair. And then, yeah.
I finally got my nails delivered to me. This is what they're looking like, you know. Just a little sneak peek. Of course, I tried them on already and they're a little bit big, so I had to like file down the sides of some of them. And yeah, I'm not putting those on until tomorrow because I'm going to do my toes now. I bought a gel polish and a UV lamp on Amazon. So you know, girl gonna be doing her toes herself because right now them the cute it's a look.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Oh,
No.
That not cute. So yeah, I'm doing my nails back in the same color. I really love light pink. I've been doing that for months now instead of white. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do.